The World Health Organization has this evening declared the coronavirus disease a global pandemic.
Here at home, the National Treasury has released 300 million shillings to enhance the national preparations of the COVID-19 virus. And the Ministry of Health has revealed this during a meeting with the Joint Committee of Parliament on Health today.
Some of the parents of students still stuck in Wuhan City in China have appealed to the government to heed their pleas on bringing back the students whom they say are in a state of desperation. NTV's Zainab Ismail has the developments.
Senior members of my team.
Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe, flanked by other ministry officials, defended their decision not to evacuate the students stuck in Wuhan City, saying they are more safe in self-quarantine in isolation at this point.
I would like also to appeal, even some are living with health conditions and attend hospitals because of the fear of infections, but they have nowhere to attend.
You get a student who is safe in a room in a quarantine, who is not infected, who is not sick. In our considered opinion, the risk involved in that whole movement, the risk of creating an infection was higher than protecting them.
At the same time, the National Assembly Health Committee Chair Sabina Chege sought to test the effectiveness of the toll-free lines provided to the public by the ministry.
The person you called is not reachable. We will notify you when the mobile subscriber is back.
That is a toll-free one. So that's the one that all Kenyans received. Hello, how are you? I wanted to report a case of coronavirus.
You're feeling sick?
Very sick.
Very sick. But the way I hear you don't sound to be very sick.
The toll-free line is actually a test line at the moment, but
okay,
it will be activated, and it will not be just with that one.
The Cabinet Secretary has further appealed to all doctors across the country, whether current or retired, to ensure that they register in a central data bank that will be communicated later on by the ministry as a precautionary measure. Meanwhile, the coronavirus epidemic has also affected the number of cargo vessels docking at the port of Mombasa. This has had a negative impact on business across the country, as well as other states depending on the port for goods from China. And the Council of Governors also noted that 23 county governments had already established isolation and treatment facilities as part of measures for preparedness against the coronavirus epidemic. Zainab Ismail, NTV.